Hey there. So let's get into this underarm wax. So this pretty wax here is from Sexy Smooth. Look how pretty it is. It's pretty, it's pink, it goes on well. Oh, I just lived it. So this was my first time using this wax. This is Tickled Pink from Sexy Smooth. They sent me this wax and I just could not wait to try it out. And look at it. Look at it, look at it, look at it. It's just so pretty. So yeah, put on this underarm and it went on so nice and smooth. Tap, tap, tap. See if it's dry. Tap, tap, tap. Ain't dry. Be patient. So, but it did not take long to dry. And here we go. It did what it was supposed to do. It snatched almost all those hairs off. Look, it snatched it straight from the root. You can see the little bulbs at the end. It did a great job. So I just needed to go back in real quick with a cleanup because that first rip like nearly got everything on the first go. I like it. I like it. You don't need a lot of this wax and it's pink. What more can I say? But yeah, this wax did a very good job. It went on easy. It didn't take long to melt. It dries quick and it gets the job done. Watch her one more time. That cleanup strip. And voila, just like that, all the hair is gone. So after you get all that hair off, just apply a little soothing cream, some oil for that good old underarm. Look how clean that thing is.